Guys, today is new bike day for me. I will be unboxing and building this E-Ride Pro SR, a supreme powerhouse of a bike for the off-road trails with so much power, maybe too much power, but I guess there's never too much power really, is there? I want to see what the fuss is about, so let's unbox this baby, build her up, and let's talk. All right, so let's take a look at what's inside this ready-to-go E-Ride Pro box. All right, so open it up. It's got an owner's manual that we can scan as well to download. Might be an app, I guess. Let's see. Looks like we've got our number plate over here. Let's open her up. Take a look. Oh, I guess we're gonna rip it. So much for doing it nice. All right. Solid plastic. And some bunch of zip ties. Probably a bunch extra too. A nice keychain. That's cool. A nice little addition there. Looks like we got a tool kit in here. Yeah, we got some tools. I'll just use my own tools. Wrench. Here's the pegs. Actually, these pegs are beautiful. I've seen them. They are very wide, very big. I like that. So lots of real estate for the feet. Take a look inside. Look at that. This is really nice. Really nice finish on it as well. And some spikes, so a lot of grip. Plenty of room. None of those little pegs, so this is good. Might even keep these. Change them. Here it looks like we've got a regen throttle. Got a peg, bolts and nuts, and another little bag. I'm not sure what's in here, but let's find out. What do we got? Okay, I guess these are the axles. For the axle, rather. Okay. All right. Keep building this bike. Fender. For the dirt tracks, this is what you want. Nice width. Huge big knobs. Looks like it's a different brand though. Yunqing. But it's this is good. This is gonna help climb up those hills. You know, get that traction. Definitely an off-roader's bike. Really big brakes. That's really nice, man. Besides, these must be 90s, I guess, right? They're actually, yeah, they're 190/18. 190/18. It's a thick tire. Perfect. Proper, guys. These straps you may want to keep. They're actually good straps, nice cam buckle straps that can be used to, you know, tie down anything really. So, all right, so we got our bar, nice bar, wide, nice sweep back, and we got some beautiful brakes. .4. Yes, these are thick brake line cables, which is nice. Good stop and power. I like how everything is completely blacked out, murdered out on this bike, which is nice. So very clean looking bike so far. All right, here's the keys, zip tied. There's a direct mount. It is a good stack for sure. Nice light, beautiful light too. We got the target crosshairs here to help us align it properly. So So we're good. All right. Now we can tighten the bolts, rotate between them. Yeah, it's time to attach the brake. This must be the charger. Yeah. This is the charger, okay. No, it's a nice charger, small handle, very simple. Make this a little more. Yeah, the frames are beautiful for sure, no question.
Sure, I'll lift it up and then you
Okay.
After connecting the rear shock to the rear triangle, you're going to want to use the supplied bolts to fasten it. Then you're going to want to install the foot pegs and pop it off the stand. Use the supplied cone spacers in the box to install the front wheel. Tighten that bad boy down, and then you're going to want to install the regen. You're going to want to pull the battery plate off first. Thank God eRide Pro has designed this with a Allen key as opposed to a clip pin. After installing the regen throttle, you're going to want to mount the screen by routing the cable behind the light. Tighten your screen down and install the piece of plastic that catches the rear suspension protector. Pop your front fender on and you're good to go.
Rip. Woo! Not just equal though, man. Got 2 more of those. So got sport and race. All right, let me check out sport. Woo! Safe. All right, do I dare try race mode? Yes, I should. Let's see. I'm gonna slip out here. This is powerful. Very powerful, but I like it powerful, so I'm gonna enjoy this piece. All right, so I got our veteran Paul here. We want to get your first impressions, Paul. Tell us what you think of your first impressions of the eRide Pro SR.
Well, I just took a quick look at it. I only looked at it for a few seconds here, but I'm liking the nice welds, nice and tight fish scales on it. The caliper on the back is massive. It's the same caliper on the front. Really nice thick rotors, not going to bend easily. You're going to hold the heat really well, or dissipate the heat really well. It'll take a bit more heat to warm that up and warp it. And 4-piston, of course. Even a anti-vibration spring to keep the brakes from buzzing a little bit. That's a nice little added touch to keep them a little bit quieter. This is the best looking footrest I've seen on any bike come through the door yet. Usually it's just a forged thing and the teeth are built in. This one's got screw-in teeth for traction, and they even removed a corner one so that it doesn't gouge the frame when it flips up all the way. Nice touch. They thought ahead about that. They've probably seen that in their own design on the first time. And everything else, I haven't had a good look at it, but I don't see anything I don't like yet. It's tight. It's a nice bike.
All right, well,
I'm impressed.
Thank you.